In a bombshell development shaking the U.S. auto industry, General Motors, GM, has officially shut down multiple production lines across key factories, citing skyrocketing costs directly linked to the latest round of Trump-era tariffs on imported steel, aluminum, and auto parts. The move has already triggered mass layoffs, with thousands of workers affected across Michigan, Ohio, and Indiana. The announcement came early this morning when GM released a terse statement confirming the temporary suspension of operations at 4 plants, blaming unsustainable supply chain pressures and inflated material costs driven by federal trade policies. Sources inside GM reveal that internal projections showed a 40% increase in production costs due to the tariffs, especially on parts imported from Canada, Mexico, and China. The impact was too heavy to absorb, even for one of America's largest automakers. "We regret the disruption to our workforce and communities," GM's statement read. "We urge Washington to revisit its tariff policy before the damage becomes irreversible." The fallout was immediate. More than 12,000 workers are now facing furloughs, and union leaders are furious. UAW, United Auto Workers, President Shawn Fain blasted the federal government for failing to protect American jobs. These tariffs were sold as a way to protect U.S. industry, but they're destroying it from within. Workers are paying the price for political games. Markets reacted swiftly. GM stock plummeted 7% by midday, dragging down the broader auto sector. Suppliers and logistics partners also saw heavy losses, while analysts warned that Ford and Stellantis may not be far behind if the tariffs remain in place. Economists are calling this a turning point in U.S. industrial policy. What was once billed as America First is now becoming America Stalled, as international retaliation, inflated costs, and trade uncertainty hammer domestic manufacturing. Trump, who previously hailed the tariffs as a win for American workers, has not yet commented on GM's shutdown, but critics from both parties are now demanding immediate policy reversals to avoid a full-scale manufacturing crisis. The message from Detroit is loud and clear. The tariffs aren't saving jobs. They're wiping them out.